Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover and restore deleted Microsoft to-do lists and tasks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to go to your Outlook. Since Microsoft To Do is integrated with Outlook, all your deleted tasks and lists are stored in Outlook's Deleted Items folder, which makes recovery straightforward and convenient. Once you're in Outlook, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of folders that organize your emails and items. Look for the folder labeled Deleted Items and click on it. This folder acts as a temporary storage space for everything you've deleted, including your Microsoft To Do tasks and lists before they're permanently removed from your account. After clicking on Deleted Items, you'll now be able to see all your deleted items displayed on the screen. This includes emails, calendar events, and most importantly for this tutorial, your deleted to-do lists and tasks. Take a moment to browse through this list carefully, as it contains everything you've recently removed. Now find the specific task or list you want to restore. You can scroll through the items or use the search function if you remember the name of what you're looking for. Once you've located the item you need, you're ready to move to the next step. Next, right-click on the item you want to restore. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the selected item. Right-clicking gives you quick access to restoration features without navigating through multiple menus. From the context menu that appears, click on Restore. This simple action will immediately move your deleted task or list back to its original location in Microsoft To Do. The Restore function is designed to put everything back exactly where it was before deletion, maintaining your organization and workflow. And that's it. Your deleted Microsoft To Do list or task has been successfully recovered and is now back in your active workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.